Okay, today we're going to take a look at the planter curbing that was just installed. They had a machine that actually formed that curbing. As we walk through here, we see some of the debris starting to be cleared. I think mostly they clear the debris in the path of that curbing. And it wraps around to the left, to the sidewalk. This will be all grass in here. That's some leftover sand mixed with mortar for, I believe that's stucco. And that bag of cement's been out there for a while. And we get a picture of, again, of that wall. And they're going to have to blend that rock with the new lawn going in there. They have a little bit of work yet. Put the sprinkler heads into that flex line. So we'll take a look at the backyard here, or the side yard. Again, the main focus here is that curb. It wraps around there just to the patio slab and back. There will be an actual drip line to the plants placed in there. And they're going to have to fix this curb at some point. Yeah, they did that when they were capping that wall. There's a sprinkler valving. I think I'm going to have to get out here and do some cleanup. So that curb picks up at the end of the patio slab, comes around to the walkway. Not much happening here, so it's like almost once a week we get one aspect completed. Again, I'm anticipating this to be addressed soon here on the side yard, to get that barn ordered based on whatever final dimensions that turns out to be. It's about a 3-week delivery on that. So they're going to have to run that Rainbird wire down and out. Right now it's a temporary fix. So that pretty much shows progress so far. Mainly the curb. Not quite sure what the next step is. I could guess. Anyway, thanks for watching.